Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Glam AI app and give a quick review. Glam AI is an AI-powered beauty tech platform designed mainly for businesses, not casual users. It's made for brands, retailers, and developers who want to add virtual try-on experiences to their websites or apps. Instead of downloading it from an app store, you request a demo to access its features. Glam AI offers AI and AR tools like virtual makeup, try-ons for lipsticks and eyeshadows, hair color simulation, skin diagnostics, facial analysis, and AI product recommendations. It scans a person's face in real time and realistically applies makeup, shows hair color changes, or assesses skin condition. This helps customers try products virtually before buying, which is great for online beauty stores. It's really ideal for businesses looking to enhance their online shopping experience. To get started, go to glam.ai and click the Start Free button at the bottom left of your screen. This will redirect you to the demo request page. Here, fill in your first and last name, email, phone number, company name, and what you're looking for. You can also describe your needs further under the How Can We Help section. Once submitted, their support team will review your request. If you're a company, they'll schedule an individual demo for you. That's basically it to get started with Glam AI. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and check out our next tutorials for more tech and business tools.